Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, I'm happy to share the latest and up-and-coming Louis Vuitton bag collection for today's episode. And you know what that means? I'm going to provide you all the information that you need to know, from names, product codes, prices, features, and launch dates. All you need to do is just kindly ready your phones and laptop to take a screenshot for your reference. And then of course, for pre-orders and availabilities, kindly check with your CAs and the website. So guys, what are you waiting for? I'm inviting you to watch until the end of our episode, and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me.
Alright guys, so the very first one that I'm going to share to you would be the leaks and teasers of this collection. First, we have the on-the-go size PM. So guys, for the prices, SKU, and launch date, once I have more information, definitely I would be creating a separate vlog. So what I could see here on the leak, we have the materials such as the Jacquard or denim with the monogram design. It would also feature a cowhide leather trim that is in the colorway dark blue. What I love about this design is it comes with a braided leather top handle, and I believe this would come with a detachable leather strap that you could wear as a shoulder bag or even as a crossbody. Then guys, we have another very beautiful Louis Vuitton bag here. So again, for the prices and SKU, I'll be putting it here once I have more information. So same material, so Jacquard denim with the monogram design. So it has a drawstring for closure, as we could see. Then of course, the strap, the leather strap in the dark navy blue colorway, is fully adjustable, and of course it would come with a detachable bag tag with the Louis Vuitton logo. So this one would also feature with a gold tone hardware. So next on the Jacquard denim collection, so we have the Nano Noe. So this one is really gorgeous. So since this is a nano bag, so this is like a small bag or a micro bag, then of course it would feature the same design with the Jacquard denim monogram design. Of course, it would come with the gold hardware. It would come with two straps, so one leather top handle and one leather strap, so you could wear this one as a crossbody bag. Of course, it would feature a detachable leather bag tag as well, then the classic drawstring feature for the Noe bag. So which one is your favorite so far, guys? Kindly comment down below. So next, guys, we have the very beautiful Pochette Toiletry 26. This one I really like because I know when you're going to purchase a Pochette Toiletry, no matter what size, definitely you could convert this one into a handbag or even as a clutch. So it would feature the same material of the Jacquard in denim with monogram design. Of course, it would come with cowhide leather trims, colorway is dark blue, and of course it would come with gold hardware. What do you think?
Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, collar, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys!
Alright guys, so the next one we are going to discuss would be bags launching August 28, 2026. First guys, we have the very beautiful Speedy Soft size 30, priced at 4,250 USD. We have SKU here. So the material is armband leather in the cowhide leather trims. Colorway of the leather guys is in the granite. So I love it, like a dark burgundy colorway. It comes of course with a detachable and adjustable leather strap. It would have also a bag tag, lock and key set, and a key clochette as well. So next on the collection, we have the Capucines size mini, priced at 6,700 USD, SKU M29950. So this is a little bit more affordable of the Capucines. So as you can see, the material is in calfskin leather with cowhide leather trims. Colorway is Odyssey pink. It would come with detachable leather strap, lock and keys, gold hardware, and it would feature a leather interior. So next on the new collection that will be launching August, we have the Capucines wallet on chain. This is such a beautiful bag, perfect for parties and evening events. So price is 4,650 USD. SKU M29958. So the material is Tyrolean leather with cowhide leather trim. So this is interior, as you can see. And of course, the colorway is noir or black. It would feature a detachable chain strap. I love the detachable chain strap. It's very decorative. I love the Louis Vuitton flowers on the detail as well. So next on the collection, guys, this is one of my favorite bag that Louis Vuitton has released. We have the Capucines Edito, price at 6,700 USD. So material is calfskin suede leather with cowhide leather trims. Colorway, guys, is mocha, and of course it is a east-west style with an elongated leather strap, so you could wear this one as a shoulder bag like so, like how the model is wearing. And of course, any Capucines would feature a leather interior. Hopefully it would also come with detachable leather strap, so you could wear this one as a crossbody. Next, guys, we have the Speedy Bandolier size 25. So this one price at 3,150 USD. So the material is monogram embossed calfskin leather with cowhide leather trims. The colorway of this one is beige trench. It would feature a detachable leather strap. It would come with a lock and key set as well, and the hardware is in gold tone colorway. So what do you think of that Speedy 25? Beautiful, right? I love the name as well. Then of course, we have the Diane shoulder bag, price at 2,940 USD. We have the SKU here, M2A 335. Materials on front leather with cowhide leather trim. So as you can see, the interior as well is very gorgeous. I love that it comes with a zippered compartment inside, and of course at the back part it would come with a slip back pocket. So it would feature with two strap, one leather strap so you could wear as a shoulder bag, and one you could wear as a crossbody. And then of course, in the same colorway of hazelnut, we have the Alma BB, price at 2,800 USD. So this one, the colorway or the material rather is front leather with cowhide leather trims. Colorway, as mentioned, is hazelnut. It would feature a detachable leather strap. It would have a lock and keys, and of course it would come with a leather clochette. So this is the close-up view of the front leather, and of course the hazelnut colorway reminds me of a delicious latte color coffee. Then of course, next we have the Never Full Size price at 3,050 USD. So this one is in front leather with cowhide leather trims. Colorway is in grenade. It would feature a detachable leather pochette, as we could see. So this is the interior, and of course the leather pochette is over here, and you could carry as a clutch, and of course you could use as a bag organizer. Really love this grenade colorway. The dark burgundy reminds me of the Chanel interior. Then guys, we have for the men's bag, we have the Serious reversible. So we don't have the price, but we have the SKU here of M2A 316, launching this month, August 2026. So this is from the Silk Tech collection that I have discussed a couple of vlogs back. So if you want to check that one out, just check my playlist. And of course it would feature the Silk Tech material, which is in the water repellent feature with cowhide leather details. So next on the collection, one of my personal favorite, we have the Alma Soft. So this one is priced at 3,750 USD. So the materials in epi leather, as we could see here, and plus it would feature a cowhide leather trims. Then of course the interior is in monogram. So of course this one is a slouchier design. As you can see, guys, it would feature that strap so you could wear it as a crossbody bag. Happy shopping!
There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So among the bags that I've presented for today, which ones are your favorite? Kindly comment down below. And if you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Premierify2 for daily updates and silent tips coming from me. A billion thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!